Hello friends, welcome to MSB Education. In this Physics Basic Part 1 video, we are going to cover two topics. 1. Introduction to Physics and 2. Branches of Physics. One of the fundamental questions in physics is what is called physics. The study of nature and natural phenomena is said to be physics. The word physics derived from Greek word physis, which is meaning nature. The name physics was first introduced by Aristotle in the year 350 BC. Physics is considered as the most basic of all sciences, and it is a fundamental science helps to uncover the laws of nature. There are two approaches involved in studying physics. 1. Unification and 2. Reductionism. Unification is nothing but explaining diverse physical phenomena with few concepts and laws of physics. On the other hand, explaining a macroscopic system in terms of its microscopic constituents is called as reductionism. The language of expression of physics is mathematics. Discoveries in physics occurs by two ways. 1. Accidental discoveries and 2. Well-analyzed research outcome in laboratory. Physical invention developed before the beginning of the 20th century is called classical physics. And the development arise from the beginning of the 20th century is called modern physics. There are 7 branches of physics developed in classical physics. Number 1. Classical mechanics, which is about studying of forces acting on bodies. Number 2. Thermodynamics, which is about studying of heat and other forms of energy. Number 3. Optics, which is about studying of light. Number 4. Acoustics, which is about studying of sound waves. Number 5. Electricity and magnetism, which is about studying the relationship of electricity and magnetism. Number 6. Astrophysics, which is about studying of astronomical bodies. Number 7. Relativity, which is about studying the relationship between space, time and energy. There are 5 branches of physics developed in modern physics. Number 1. Quantum mechanics, which is studying at atomic and subatomic levels. Number 2. Atomic physics, which is about studying of the structure and properties of the atom. Number 3. Nuclear physics, which is about studying the structure, properties and reaction of the nuclei of the atom. Number 4. Condensed matter physics, which is about studying the basics of material sciences. And finally, number 5. High energy physics, which is about studying of the nature of the particles. Okay friends, I made a notes and converted it in PDF format, which I said in this video. You can download the PDF by the link given in description box. Hope you learned something special from this video. That's all from this video friends. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.